Hey guys, I'm back with part 2 of my swap with Julie Derry. And again, the link to her channel is in the description box. Please go over and subscribe to her. And if you haven't seen part 1, then please go over and watch that too as well. And like, your work is just absolutely unbelievable, Julie. So please go over and show her some YouTube love. As I mentioned in the first video, she sent me 4 packages. This is package number 2. And I have opened it, so let me go out, because I'm going in the order she sent. Oh, there's a little note. I hope you like these and can use them. Feel free to share. Oh, yay. Okay. Hugs, lovely lady Julie. This is package 204. Look at this. Kindness is a language the blind can see and the deaf can hear. I love that. Thank you, Julie. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. What have you done? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, Julie. There's so much here. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's a bundle, and that's a bundle. So we'll do this bundle first. And OMG, look what it's wrapped in. Let's maybe show that first. Oh, that fell out. Oh my goodness, 2 things fell out. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. Okay, it's doubled. Wow. Look at this sari. The color. These are my favorite colors. If I can unfold it right. Come on, fumble hands. Look at this. That is velvet, I think, or is it organza? It's organza. Oh my gosh. The teal and the burgundy. Oh my goodness, these are so beautiful, Julie. Wow. Oh, Julie, this is stunning, and there's 4 of them on here. It's really long. Oh my gosh. I don't think I'll be cutting that up. Not for a long time. That might have to go on my dresser, actually. That is beautiful. Thank you, Julie. And then inside there was 2 little brooches here. Look at these. My goodness, Julie. These are beautiful. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. So pretty. Alright, so we're going to do the little package first, which is this one. Little, it's not that little. And these are all amazing sari trims. This is a sleeve, and I love this color. Oh my gosh. You know, I was saying to a friend the other day, saris have actually, and gypsy stuff has really gotten me over working with color, with fabric. I like doing it with my mixed media, but with fabric, you know, I've just found like a new love for color because of all these beautiful fabrics. They're just so amazing. Oh my gosh. And then this beautiful gold trim. Oh, this is just stunning. Absolutely stunning. Look at this. Wow. I just love the sparkle. Oh my goodness. This is velvet. Look at this. That's velvet. Pretty sure that's velvet. It feels like velvet. Oh my gosh, that's really cool trim. I love that. And this is some more sari trim. Absolutely beautiful. I don't think the camera's picking the color up. This is a very hot pink, which I love, and the gold and the purple together. So pretty. That would look great on the bottom of a journal. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. really just stunning little sequin flowers in a gorgeous silver. Look at that sparkle. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my goodness, Julie. Oh, wow. I love this. Look at that glitter. And then there's some embroidered like little circles here in a burgundy and a gold. Oh my goodness, Julie, these are beautiful. You must have access to that where you live. My goodness, this is just incredible. I've never seen things like this. Like, I can find saris, but these are like really unusual. And oh my goodness, look at this. And there's another brooch here on this bundle. It's a heart. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful, Julie. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. This is just jam-packed full. Look at this. Wow. That is... I don't even know what to say. Oh my goodness, Julie. These are amazing. Oh, that's going to have to go on something very, very special. I mean, these are all rhinestones. It's heavy. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Sorry I'm not saying much. I'm just in awe, guys. Sorry. And she's got some little bits in here. Beautiful pieces. Ugh, these are stunning. These are absolutely stunning. I'm going to have fun playing with these, that's for sure. And then there's all these little motif flowers that she's taken off a sari. I love these little things like this. These are so fun to play with. Super fun. I'm actually loving yellow lately too. And then here's some more here. 2 of those. Just beautiful. Wow. I mean, who doesn't want to wear stuff like this every day? I do. Gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, wow. Julie, this is just, I mean, wow. Doesn't cover it. I hope that, like I said before, I really hope you like what I've sent you. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. The stones, they're just amazing. You know, I could just sit and look at these and touch them for like hours at a time because they're so beautiful. You know, and they're just amazing. And these bigger pieces in yellow probably came from the same sari that the little ones came from. And then there's 2 more. Okay, these ones are all the same. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. Wow. Beautiful beaded piece here. Another beautiful piece. My goodness, Julie, this pile just keeps going here. Love that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's all rhinestones. Wow. Oh my goodness, Julie. I'm going to have to send you some happy mail, girl. You're going to be getting some Happy Mail from me later. Yep. That is amazing. That's amazing. Wow. And then this looks like a large piece. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. And it goes all the way down to the bottom with these beautiful rhinestones. And look at the stone at the bottom. Wow. I know I keep saying wow. I don't know what else to say. Oh my gosh. That's incredible. And this has pearls too. Just noticed that. Look at these little pearls. Oh, oh. These. My goodness, Julie. Wow. Okay, there's this piece. Oh my gosh, look at that. I love that. Oh. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. And then here's some sari. Oh, look at this purple. Look at this purple. It's looking blue on camera, but it's not. It's a very dark purple. It's not that blue that the camera's showing. But look at these motifs on here. Those are amazing. And then it's got little seed bead pieces up here on the sleeve. And these are all, oh my gosh, I thought that was like a rope trim, but those are all like super tiny beads. Right there. Those are all tiny little beads. Wow, the work that has gone into these is, it's an art form, I think. It's amazing. Oh my goodness. I love this. This is beautiful. Julie, these are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I've never seen things like this here. Wow. Look at that. I wonder if it's from that same sari that you had these wrapped in. Oh my goodness, look at that. I love these colors together, the red and the bright turquoise blue. I just love those together. I think they just complement each other so amazingly. And these are embroidered flowers here. So these little flowers here are embroidered. I hope the camera can kind of pick that up. But look at the beadwork. Wow. My gosh, there's still a ton here. My goodness, Julie. You have spoiled me. Look at this. So inspiring to look at these. They're stunning. Absolutely stunning. Oh my goodness. This one with the pearls. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I will definitely be sharing some of this. Thank you for sending extra so I can share. That's really just so sweet of you. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, look at this. Beautiful gold, like a brocade trim. I'm sorry it's so dark in here. I wish it was brighter. Oh, I love this. I know these are the bottoms of the long wraps and things, and they're just beautiful. And this is like a navy, a dark navy, which kind of looks purple in the camera, which is strange. And that's very heavy, actually. Probably from all the stitching. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, Julie, you have, oh my gosh, spoiled me rotten. Oh my goodness, this, okay, there's a little piece here. Let me share this one. Love this. This is all like heavy stones. This looks like hematite right here. That's very heavy piece. These are all rhinestones, and that looks like hematite or marcasite. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh my goodness. And then there is a massively huge piece here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Julie. Oh, I am speechless. This is amazing. Oh my goodness. This is a huge, huge piece. Huge. Look at this. And it goes all the way down here. I'm hoping that the camera will do this justice, and I wish it was brighter in here, but I can't help the weather. Oh my gosh, Julie. That is absolutely stunning. All the work. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my goodness. You're incredible. Another large piece. Look at this. This is beautiful. Wow. I love that. I love the embroidery work. And this is a big piece too. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at this. And then it's got all this beautiful sequin work and bead work on the top, on this sheer fabric. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. Oh, Julie, this is just, I don't know how you parted with some of this, but thank you so much. My goodness. And then it was wrapped, oh, in this magnificent piece. Look at this. I think it might go that way. I'm not sure. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Let me see if I can do it this way. And then it comes down there. Look at that embroidery work. That's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness, Julie. I am overwhelmed with your kindness and thoughtfulness. These are just stunning, stunning pieces. And this, my goodness. I can't thank you enough, Julie, for your kindness and thoughtfulness, and I will definitely share some of these out with some of my friends. I know they'll love it and appreciate it. And I will be back with part 3. I need to compose myself. I'm just, oh my goodness, Julie. Okay. Thank you so much, my friend. Guys, please go over and make sure that you subscribe to Julie's channel. The link is in the description box. And I will be back with a part 3 later. Thanks, guys. Mwah. Julie, thank you so much.